Turkey's Erdogan gives Putin condolences over subfire. Turkey neutralizes 61 PKK terrorists in North Iraq. Regime attacks kill 19 in Syria's de-escalation zones. Sudan's Army Council head visits Uganda for talks. US universities cut seats of students in Saudi endowment. China wiping out Uyghur culture activist. Uyghur Turks stage anti-China protest in Brussels. Afghanistan suicide car bombing kills 12 people. Substantial progress in talks with Taliban, US envoy. Afghan civil society seeks truce in intra-Afghan talks. UK conference stresses responsibility to help Rohingya. Right group urged India to protect Rakhine refugees.